So I filmed this video right before last Thanksgiving, and I kind of lost track of the footage. Now I had the beard going, I was really happy with it. So this was going to be a combo beard cleanup and beard care video. I hope you enjoy.
Agua de levo.
All right, guys, it's Thanksgiving Day. That means I'm going to be around people. I've been growing this beard, and I like the beard. So I'm going to do a little neck cleanup and flip this around so you can see. I did an unboxing of this razor. This is one of my favorite cartridge razor. It's probably my favorite cartridge razor now. It is GilletteLabs Exfoliating Bar razor. Now, what I love about this is how smooth it is, but it also takes the same style cart that the heated razor takes. So if you have the heated razor or vice versa, if you have this and you want to get the heated handle, you can use the same blades. But I love this razor because it's a salute to veterans, and I believe that every day is Veterans Day. You know, all the people that have given their life or have put their life on the line to maintain the values and freedoms we have here in this country should get a shout out every day. So shout out. Now, I did an unboxing of this for Veterans Day, but I didn't do a shave, and I've been itching to do a shave. I'm going to do that today. So let's pull it out. I'll show it to you again. Beautiful, beautiful razor here, guys. So we have 5 blades of fun. Nice pivot to the head there. Real snappy. You've got precision trimmer on the back. It also has a flex disc technology. So not only do you have the pivot, you have the flexibility going around the contours of your face. There is the patented exfoliating bar or the heated bar. So there's that gap there for whichever bar you take. Again, this is the same cart or the same form factor that's used in that heated razor. It's got that salute to our veterans with camo right here, and you've got the drab olive hefty handle rubberized on the back. And I'm going to be doing a nice little neck shave here. Clean it up for being out with people. I'm going less mountain man. Also, in all of the exfoliating bar, exfoliating, all of the exfoliating bar razors come with a nice hefty stand, which I like. This is really solid. You put this and you put it right on your counter and you stand tall and proud. I'm not going to get too fancy here because I like a natural sort of growth here. I don't want to do too much in terms of trimming. I want to keep the beard longer. So I'm just going to paint just a shallow line here. So I like that natural progression for a couple of reasons. One, if I really want to get butch with the beard, I want to go ZZ top. It's nice to have a foundation for that beard. So this would allow me to really come down with more volume. Now, the second reason, I just think it looks better, right? And when you're first growing a beard, I was told really just let the beard grow. 3-4 months, don't even touch it. Then go maybe have a professional edge it up. I'm going to do that. But as I said in the last video, I have a shaving channel, or at least I cover shaving topics. So every once in a while, I got to shave. I'm going to be using this Nivea Men Stubble Shave Gel. And when this was introduced, it was supposed to be a product that would soften the stubble. I haven't seen it anymore. I have it sitting in my stash. I figured I'd use it today. So I'm just going to paint a line right here. And eliminate that stubble down near my Adam's apple on the bottom of my neck. Again, not trying to do too much here, just to clean up so people don't think I'm homeless on the side of the street. Speaking of which, the homeless situation here in the States is rather depressing. Just spent a week in Tulsa, and just there's lots of homeless folks there in the downtown area. And it's a problem, guys. It's a problem. So no disparaging words about the homeless. But I do look homeless if I don't manage this beard. So I like to use this little area with my index finger as just like a pivot point or a pressure point to really get in here and do this fine work. It's a nice design. And it's smooth, guys, smooth razor. Again, I'm just going up to that line and just cleaning up. And I'll go back in here. No need to reapply. And I'll make another pass. Make another. And I'll make a cross grain pass. And just attacking the hair from one other angle. Nice. And last, but certainly not least, guys, I'll apply just a little bit more of this. We'll get back in here and we'll do a against grain pass. So I'm attacking the hair from 3 angles. And the reason I do this is because your hair especially on your neck can grow in all different patterns, all different directions. So coming at it from multiple angles addresses some of those hairs that are out of step. So you're kind of ensuring that you're getting all those different hairs, some that might be laying a little askew. And that's nice. Nice smooth razor. Makes me want to shave the whole lot. But again, I'm having a lot of fun growing the beard, and my woman likes it, so I've got to pass to really let it grow. And there you go. Now I'm going to jump into the shower, and this will be a 2-part video. I'm going to show you some of the routine I do. In fact, I can do one right now before I get in the shower. This is a beard routine. This is what I've been doing as the beard grows. I use a couple of products every day. And the first product I'm going to swear by is CREMO's beard wash and softener. I use this every day in the shower. I put it in, leave it in for 30 seconds at least, probably a little longer, maybe a minute or so. And this helps to soften the beard. It conditions it. So, you know, when you first grow in a beard, you get that beard itch. This helps to really kind of reduce that. So typically put it on in the shower, but I'll do it here for you because it's not that type of show. I take out a little bit more than a dime's worth. Usually make a little stripe. Warm it between my two wet hands and apply to the beard. And we're gonna let that work in for 30 seconds or so. And then try to push it into the skin, because you're also moisturizing and conditioning the skin. That's an important part. Fight that dry skin. Nice. So again, I'll let that sit for 30 seconds. Then I'll jump into the shower, jump out. We'll put on some aftershave. I'll put on another beard product that I use, and I'll show you how I finish the look as I head out the door. But again, GilletteLabs Exfoliating Bar, a salute to our veterans edition. You could probably get it at Walmart while supplies last, guys. It's a great little razor. Nice and average guy tested, average guy approved. Again, one of my favorite, if not my favorite, cartridge razor right now. All right, let's jump in the shower, get steamed up and cleaned up, and I'll get back out here for the finishing touch. So out of the shower, and as you can see, I have a nice cleaned up neckline and a little bit of the frizzies going on in the beard. So the first thing you want to do, make sure you get the beard nice and dry. I'm going to go ahead and put on an aftershave, Mirasol, just a little lemony flavor. I like this from España. I'll put that, nice little burn there. That feels good, smells delicious. So the shave component of this video is done. Mirasol, very nice. Now, CREMO, what I love about CREMO is they make lots of products, and across the product, they have the same profile. So this is Palo Santo. This is a cream. It's a beard and scruff softener. So this can be applied dry during the day. You throw a little bit on this, you rub it into the beard, and it helps to condition the beard. So this is something that you would, like I said, apply during the day, not necessarily out of the shower. If you're going in and you need a little bit more volume, they make beard wash that has a thickening agent in. This is a nice eucalyptus smell to it. So I use this if I want to really puff out, or when you're first growing it and you want to add a little volume. I should add some up here. But my go-to out of the shower is this beard balm. And it gives you, first of all, this is the mint blend. And it's a heavenly smell, guys. I can't even describe it. Like a soft vanilla-y mint. And I'll warm some on a couple of fingers. And I'll coat the beard with this balm. And for a day like today, again, I'm going to be around lots of family. Don't want to look like a wild man. This will tame some of those flyaways. It'll also coat the beard, add a little bit of moisturizing action, and give you that finished look. So CREMO. But again, love the scent. They make lots of these across the different products in one scent profile. So if you like Palo Santo, you could find it in a host of different products, from body wash to shampoo to your balm. And the final pass, I'm using this boar's hair brush, CREMO brush. And I'm just brushing down. This does two things. It spreads that product throughout the beard in a uniform manner, and it refines the look of the beard. Again, I'm looking to tame the mountain look for today's festivities, and there you have it, guys. Nice soft neckline, but refined, clean neck, manicured beard as much as it can be. I have a very curly beard. And there you have it, nice. Yeah. So happy Thanksgiving to the folks in the States and the folks abroad. What's up? I'll see you next time. And not sure when that'll be. But in the meantime, you know what to do. You're going to keep pushing. Play. Now roll the music.
Took you like a shot, thought that I could chase you away.